Get ready for the biggest stories hitting your feed right now. We start with a massive shift in the tech world. Jeff Bezos once spoke about a breakthrough technology that would shape Amazon's destiny. And fast forward a year, Amazon's new CEO, Andy Jassy, is now talking about generative AI as a once-in-a-lifetime technology, already being used across the entire company to completely reinvent customer experiences. This is a revolution in motion, and we are diving deep into what this means for the future of commerce.
Never get caught with a dead phone again. This INIU portable charger is compact, travel-friendly, and gives you fast 45-watt charging with a built-in USB-C cable, so there's no need to carry extra cords. With 10,000 mAh power, it's perfect for busy days, trips, emergencies, or anytime your battery drops too low. Grab yours on Amazon through the link in the comments before your phone hits 1%.
Next up, we look at the sheer scale of the coming technological explosion. Elon Musk recently predicted that by the year 2040, there would be at least 10 billion humanoid robots, each priced between $20,000 and $25,000. And let's talk about the staggering number. Musk calculated that this technology could be worth a mind-boggling $250 trillion by 2040. This isn't just about robots. It's about an entire ecosystem of AI innovators set to reshape the global economy. And we explore how major firms like PwC and McKinsey are already seeing multi-trillion-dollar potential unlocked by this breakthrough. Now we pivot to the world of global trade and agriculture. Geoffrey Amini, managing director for Tanzanian avocado exporter Avocado Farms, has shared an update on the season. Amini confirmed that the Tanzanian avocado season is progressing fairly well overall, noting a positive harvest in both volume and quality. We hear directly from Amini about the stable demand in key markets like India and the Middle East, and how Avocado Farms is carefully managing logistics and quality control to navigate fluctuating freight costs and ensure steady supply. Finally, we look at the real-world impact on the logistics industry. Ryder Integrated Logistics is facing major changes after losing a significant contract. We have details on how Ryder Integrated Logistics will be laying off 151 employees in Green Bay as of June 30th following this contract loss. While the jobs are being eliminated, we also get insight into how the site operations might continue with the incoming logistics provider. Don't miss out on this essential breakdown of technology, global trade, and industry shifts. Subscribe now and stay ahead with our breaking news updates. The global economic landscape is poised for a massive transformation driven by generative artificial intelligence. Following predictions from figures like Elon Musk, who projected a market worth $250 trillion by 2040 based on the proliferation of humanoid robots, the focus is shifting toward the underlying technology enabling this revolution. This massive potential is not confined to a single entity, but spans an entire ecosystem of AI innovators set to redefine how businesses, governments, and consumers operate worldwide. Major consulting firms such as PwC and McKinsey also estimate multi-trillion-dollar potential unlocked by AI, underscoring the significance of the breakthrough technology at the core of this shift. Wall Street and hedge funds are intensely focused on this wave, but insiders suggest that the key to this $250 trillion revolution lies within an under-owned company possessing crucial, super-cheap AI technology that rivals should be concerned about. While established tech giants like NVIDIA, Alphabet, and Microsoft garner attention, the real opportunity is reportedly situated in a smaller firm quietly advancing this foundational technology. Experts suggest that this prediction is not overly ambitious, implying that investors who act now could realize significant gains in the coming years. The narrative suggests that owning the stock of this company could be a pivotal move in the AI investment landscape. To gain comprehensive insight into this groundbreaking technology and its growth potential, exclusive, detailed investment research is being offered through a premium readership newsletter. This subscription service provides access to in-depth reports, monthly stock picks from a research director, bonus fund manager interviews, and an ad-free browsing experience, backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. The opportunity is presented as time-sensitive, with limited spots available for this exclusive offer, urging interested parties to subscribe immediately to secure their position in the future of AI investment. The Tanzanian avocado season is off to a positive start, marked by a good harvest in both volume and quality, according to Geoffrey Amini, Managing Director for Tanzanian avocado exporter Avocado Farms. Amini stated that operations have been stable, noting a steady flow of fruit and consistent fruit size and condition, which are crucial for export markets. Favorable weather conditions earlier in the season supported this good development. Demand for Tanzanian avocados remains stable, with consistent interest from key export markets, primarily in Asia, including India and the Middle East. Amini emphasized that these regions continue to show reliable demand, positioning them as core markets for the season. Despite the positive harvest, the primary challenges facing exporters include logistics, fluctuating freight costs, and maintaining consistent quality across shipments. Avocado Farms is actively managing these issues by collaborating closely with logistics partners, carefully planning shipments, and enforcing stringent quality control procedures from the packhouse through to final delivery. While increased freight costs and occasional shipping route delays have indirectly affected the Middle East market, the company has successfully adjusted its logistics planning to continue serving the market without major disruptions. Amini concluded that the season is expected to remain stable, underpinned by consistent supply and sustained demand from core markets, with a continued focus on quality assurance and navigating logistical hurdles. Clearbell and Deva have significantly expanded their logistics portfolio, growing its total square footage to over 1.5 million square feet. This development underscores the company's continued growth within the industrial sector. The news was reported by Green Street News, with contact information provided for inquiries regarding accounts or product questions. The content also references various other market updates across the Canadian and UK real estate and financial sectors, including refinancing deals, student sales, and office market shifts. Ryder Integrated Logistics is preparing for a significant workforce reduction in Green Bay, set to eliminate 151 jobs following the loss of a major contract. The layoffs are scheduled to take effect on June 30. The affected employees, however, may have opportunities to transition to the new provider. According to a notice filed with the state, while the jobs are being eliminated, Ryder's site directors indicated that operations at the location are expected to continue. Larry Tisch, site director, stated that both the customer and the incoming logistics provider have expressed a desire to retain as many employees as feasible to maintain site operations. The specific sites impacted include 501 Eastman Avenue and 1145 S. Huron Road. Although the official state filing does not name the former client, Procter & Gamble's website lists the Eastman Avenue address as one of its facilities, suggesting the contract loss is related to that major client. This transition marks a notable change for the logistics operations in the Green Bay area.